welcome from Niketan and Niketan. We are the committee members of Niketan. I am Salih Tariq. This is Anand Masur, our secretary, Nitish Naik, our treasurer, and Suhas Sadekar, member. So we have gathered here to inform you about Anahatanaad2025 is a classical Indian classical music festival, 2-day Indian classical music festival, going to be held from 22nd to 23rd of February. So a little bit about Anahatanaad. This is going to be the 16th year of Anahatanaad, and basically we try to promote young artists, young classical singers and instrumental artists from all over India. And to do that, we have got the pleasure of hosting the sitar maestro, Ustad Chote Rahmat Khan. He's going to be coming for the inauguration of this event, and that will be a great boost for all these artists to get his guidance, and his presence itself will be a great this for them. So we try to promote youngsters in this festival of ours. So you will always find unheard artists, but we try to find the best amongst upcoming artists. So this year we have got 4 artists. First day we have Saroj player, Dr. Richa Bedekar Toke. And the next artist will be Gulham Khan. He will be from Delhi, and he is a vocal artist. And the second day there will be 2 more artists. So the first program will be of a duo, Nishad and Naushad Khan. Nishad and Naushad Hadlapur, and they are from Shimoga. And it will be followed by vocal recital from Siddharth Belmani. He's from Bangalore. So these are the main artists for these 2 days, and they will be all accompanied by both a mix of senior and junior accompanists like Raya Kodgaonkar, Subhash Patarpekar, Dattaraj Marsi on harmonium, and Mayank Bedekar, Prasad Madiwala, and Rishikesh Patke on tabla. So this is the basic about the program, how it's going to be, and my colleague Suhas will tell you more details about the artists. And
Sheikh Mohammad Shahzad and Sheikh Sachin Patwardhan, and now continues to further study under Harun Morane. She will be accompanied on the tabla by her brother Mayank Bedekar. Second to perform will be Gulham Khan from Delhi. He is from Rampur Sahaswan Gharana. He is a disciple of his father Ghulam Abbas Khan, and he further studied under his grandfather Padma Shri Ghulam Sadiq Khan. He has performed at Rashtrapati Bhavan in presence of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and also performed at G20 meet in presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The second day we start with a performance by Nishad and Naushad Hadlapur. They are from Shimoga, and they represent the Gwalior and Kirana Gharana. They are disciples of Pandit Somnath Madhu, who is an exponent of Panchakshari Parampara, specializing in Gwalior and Kirana Gana. They have performed at the Pancham Nishad Sangeet Samaroh in Mumbai. And they have also got the Yuva Sangeet Kalakar and Classical Voice of India awards. And the last performance will be by Siddharth Belamannu. He is also from the Gwalior and Kirana Gana, and he is a disciple of Pandit Vinayak Turki. That is some of our performances for this year.
It will be typically for 1 to 1.5 hours and followed by the second session. So all are welcome to attend this function and festival and enjoy the 2-day classical festival, music festival. So we thank you for coming here and for this